Hello everyone, and welcome back to Pedro Plays. I'm Pedro, and welcome back to Rocklake. So, people, last episode we've built here our small industry area, right here in this part of the map. Still developing, still trying to grow. So, it has just started. So, no problem there. Let's leave it. It will eventually grow and develop so we can place new assets. Now, people, what I want to focus today is on this area right here. Okay, so I was checking through our city, and the traffic, especially for the industrial areas, is quite busy. So, okay, this area right here as well, but this is a busy area either way, so I don't think it will make much of a difference. Now, right here, let me see if I can try to fix this mess that we have over here. So we don't have that many issues with traffic right here. So two, and then it will go into 4 lanes. Oh, okay, and our oil industry area is upgraded to level 3. Great. So let me just try to fix this right here so we don't have this all of this mess in here. So this can actually go into a 1 lane, right? Right here. Yeah. Then we have 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, so I really didn't need to change this to 4 lanes. Okay, so let me see how will this go. Okay, people, I'm going to actually make this all the way to the intersection, so cars will keep moving. They can choose their lane when they get to the roundabout. I call it a roundabout because in practical terms it is, although it's not exactly designed as one, but because it's not round, of course, but okay, so right here, let me change this so you can go out. The other 3 lanes will continue through. Let me change it here as well. Make sure we try to keep everything flowing as easily as possible. Okay, so also another thing that we can do right here is to make this a little wider so these guys can flow in easier. Hopefully they will. Seems to be running a little bit better, but we'll see. So here we have no problems. Yeah, people, let's leave it running for a bit. Okay, now, as we have some traffic over here in some areas, I would like to try and do something here in this area on the other side of the river, because here what we can do is to I downloaded an asset from the workshop, which I think will be useful. Okay, first of all, we will need, I'm going to stop the game, we will need to remove this intersection right here. So let me get to our move it mod, let's remove all of this, and I'm going to place one of these big things right here. Where is it? Is it this one? We could use this one, but it's not this one I was looking for. This one right here. Okay, let me adjust it a little bit. Okay, so let's place it over there. Then we will connect these roads. So from here to there. No? Oh, okay, I thought so. So let's connect it over there. Let's connect it over here. Like that. Let's connect it over here. Let's connect it over here. And we will need to connect it here as well. Okay, this I'm going to do it a little different because we will need another highway intersection over here. Let me see, what have we got? No, this one is too big. Can I place one of these? I think we can, but let me see what else have we got. Okay, this is too big. Turbine. Not quite sure this will work. Okay, let me remove it. I think this would be ideal. Yes, let's place this one over here. Okay, now let's connect all of this together again. Make sure everything is connected. We'll leave an exit to that side as well. We have another one over there. Maybe we didn't even need this intersection to have 4 ways out, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's place this one right here. Let's remove this piece of road. And now, right here, what I'm going to do is place one of these things right here. Okay, let's give it some space there for the connection to the highway. So this would be two ways, 2 lanes each direction. Okay, well, this will be a little trickier to do. Let me see, we have 2 lanes in each direction, and this is the way out. Okay, so we need to adjust something here. So this needs to be elevated. Let's bring it over here. And I want it to be parallel to that one, but elevated. And then let's connect them together once again. So there we go. And we will be able to make our connection. So this one needs to go into that one, and this one needs to connect to this one. 4 lanes. Yes, let's leave it with 4 lanes. This one, I'm going to use a different tool for this. From there to here. Okay, so let's increase this. Okay, not that much. Okay, so it won't allow me to. Okay, let's leave this with 4 lanes, so they will be connecting there perfectly. Let's bring this over here. Okay. Then I'd like to make this parallel, but okay, so let's connect this together. And then let's connect it into this. Okay. So it's highway all the way through. Perfect. Let's place this here and over here so they can pick their lane all along this area here. What's going on here? Yeah, I thought so. So there was a small piece of road there. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so people, right here in this area, we will need to set up several things here. Okay, so over here in this section, we will be able to place a train station, which I am going to connect somewhere around here on the back. Okay, and on the other side, we will build a cargo port. Okay, a cargo harbor. So it will be working there to export our goods into the it will be taking our goods or exporting our goods into the city. So right here, let me see. I want this to be okay. Where can I connect this? Okay, so let's see. If I bring a road, let's say around here, so that would be 26. Can I connect this in here directly? No. So let's remove this part. Let's bring it out here. Okay. Let me elevate this section right here. And then I want to do something here, because these guys will have to go into the train, into the cargo terminal, and then they will have to go back into this area right here. So this will be, first of all, upgraded to 2 lanes. This would be the way out, so 4 lanes over there. Okay, let me see just how far is this. 4. So 4, that means I can try to make this easier. So if I do here a small 4 by 4, no, that won't work. Okay, never mind. Let's go back to where it was previously. So extending over here, connecting over there. Perfect. Okay, so people, this cargo will most likely need some breathing room. Okay, so what I am going to do is to actually place a couple more roads in different direction. So 30 will be fine. 30 again. 30 again. And this will be the one where we will have our terminal. Okay, so let me get here. I want a lane with no parking. Okay. No parking here. Okay, let's connect all of this together, if it allows us to. Okay, let me see. Let me check something. So, like this, it doesn't allow me to. Okay, so let's anarchy this in. Let's connect all of this together. And ideally, I would like to then have this one come all the way through here. Then with a 7 by 7 loop, I would say. No, it's too big. 5 by 5. Okay, and I think we can connect it over here. Okay, let's once again elevate these 2 stretches of road. Make sure we have a nice little slope over there. Not that little, but I think it will work. And then they will be able to go wherever they want to go. We have 4, then we have 2. Okay, well, I think that that will work. Okay, now here we will place some large warehouses. Okay, so it will allow us to store our goods with large warehouses. Okay, so let's place one over here, one over here, over here, over here, okay, so some of these will actually not be used yet. Okay, so let's place all of them. Okay. So we can place another one right here, another one right here, let's place another one here, yep, and another one right here. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6, 12. Oh, I see. Okay, people, let's move this a little bit to the side. Okay, let me place this here. And then I will place another one right next to it, if it fits. No, it doesn't. God, this is... I had not used this asset before, so it looks like the... exactly, so the... they would have to fit in here perfectly side by side on this side of the road. Except this one doesn't. That's interesting. Okay. Then let's remove this piece of road. Let's make sure they actually fit. And now we have 14 warehouses in here, which is perfect. Because we have, I believe we have 14 different types of goods that we can store and export. So that shouldn't be a problem. Now we will have to provide them with water, and we will have to provide them with power. So water, I believe we can place one of these water towers somewhere over here, maybe right here. It shouldn't be a problem. And they will also need sewage. Okay. Now, can we place one of these things here? Yes, we can. Awesome. 120,000 a week. Oh, we can fit one of these. Awesome. Okay, so let's connect all of the pipes right here. Now, so they have water, sewage, they will need trash. Can I use a recycling center over here? Yes, I can. Let's place here a firehouse, a police station, and I wonder if this will all be connected straight away. Okay, so another thing that we will need to do is to decide which goods are going in here. So this will be for animal products. No, actually, let's do it the other way around. Here I want commercial zones goods. Here I want over here I want metals. Right here I want glass, although we don't produce any of it yet. Here we're going to have plastics, petroleum, plant timber, paper, flour, animal products. What are we missing? So we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I think we are missing the unique factory goods. Let's use this for forestry products. Farming products. Ore products, this won't be used yet. And this one will be for oil products. So this one for ore products, I'm going to switch it off for the moment. We don't have any of it yet, so it would import them. The metals, I will leave it here, but I'm going to switch it off as well. And this is for glass, I'm going to switch it off as well. Okay, so the ore products that that we would be need over here will not be imported. So this is all set up. Let's place our cargo train terminal over here. We will need to connect it to our road, to our train network. Okay, let's place this right here, and we will need to connect it. Now let me see. We have our train station over here. This will then provide us access to all of the city. So let's make sure we connect it. So if I bring it straight out, yeah, I don't think that would be a problem. Nice. Okay, so let's connect it straight through here. Let's bring it over here. Now, if I do this, we'll set the bridge over there. So let's set one of these bridges. Does it allow me to? Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. Okay, let's remove this all the way to there. And let's place one of these things. I don't even know how this looks, but we will bring it up. All the way through here, then another 10 and bring it down. And now, this looks good actually. Let me see, how would it look like this? Nah. Okay, like this is nice, but it only has one track. This one too. So we will leave that one. Okay, and okay. Well, I really don't want this to be lowered right here because we will need to elevate it again. So let's keep this going. And it needs to be elevated a little further up, so let's do that. Okay, and then we will need to connect this over here somewhere. How far is this? 41, so let's do this by 26. And then let's make sure we connect it to either side. Okay. Let's try to do it differently. Okay, so let's bring this down to the ground. Let's do it like this here on this side. Let's do it like this, and then we can connect both of these. So there to there. I don't like it. So this would be 21. This would be 10. So let's bring this out by further 11. Then we can make a nice 10 by 10. And here. If I do it like this, all connected? Yes, it is. Awesome. Okay, so let's upgrade this to elevated sections over here. And then let's connect them in. That. Everything connected, nice. 5 by 5. There we go. And our trains are connected over there. Okay, people, now let's see. I will have to make another connection somewhere around here, because this will also need to go this way. But I don't want to have... Okay, so is this 15? Yes, it is. So seven by 7 band. I want this to come out directly off the highway. Let me bring this up. Okay, then another 5. No, I have to move this further. Okay, let's leave that for later. Okay, now let me start the game. This should be start carrying goods from our city into this area straight away. So, okay, I have no water here. Let's give them water. Okay, so okay, so sorted now. Okay, perfect. So we will have there our recycling center. Okay, so that should be fine, I would say. Okay, so they can head off in that direction, in this direction. Trains should be coming over here as soon as I provide this with water. Okay, so that should not be a problem. So what will happen here? So you see trains already coming into this area from both directions, which is great. So we will have our okay, I actually want all of this to be set as empty. This will be for exporting purposes, so let's set all of this to empty. I'm not quite sure if this will work as I intend to, but I'm going to do it either way. So empty, and this one to empty. Okay, so now one thing I would like to check is where are these trucks coming from? Yeah, most of them are coming from outside the city. Yeah, indeed. Okay, no worries. It will work eventually as I want it to. Okay, so lots of trains coming into this area. Okay, so here on this side, people, we will need to do a little bit of terraforming, okay? Because I want to place our cargo harbor right here, but I will need to terraform this to make sure we have enough room for it. Actually, we could place one on this side and one on this side. Two? Maybe that's a little too much. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I want one of these cargo hub. Yeah, I could place it right here. That would be the right height, but I want to terraform this to make sure we have enough room for everything I want to place here. If I get our gravel road in here, set it to this and do this. It will give me the perfect height that we need. Okay, let's remove the arbor for now. Let's extend this road right here. Let's make sure everything will be at the same height, which I would like to be this one right here. Okay. And then we can terraform it. To this height. Okay, let's just push this in. Okay. On this side as well. Okay, so now let's get rid of this. Let's place our arbor in. Okay. Really? Let's place it here, then let's get rid of these roads. Okay, there we go. So, now, some nice key wall would be awesome over here. Let's bring it over here. Extend it over here. Make sure all the nodes are at the same height. Then this one. Okay. And let's do it on the other side as well. So I want this to come over here. Then let's bring it in over here. Okay. Once again, make sure the nodes are all at the same height. Let's adjust to this height. Okay. Perfect. And now we need to connect all of this. We need to get roads in here. This I want to upgrade once again to this road, the two-lane one-way road without parking. So let's do that, going in that direction. The train line will most likely run through the coastline over here, perhaps. Through here. Yeah, of course. Of course it would. Yep. I think that's fine. Then we can bring it over here. Okay, so if I do this with a 5x5 or 4x4, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Then I can run this all along the coastline and connect it over here. Okay, so let's see. Let me see. Why? Why are you elevating it? I don't want it to be elevated. Okay, so let's connect it here. 21. 21. Okay, and let's bring this through. Can run all the way through here. Okay, let's bring it up. Okay, let's take it over there. Bring it down to ground level again. And now I wonder if we will be able to connect it straight away. Let me see if we can do something fancy here. I think we may actually do something quite fancy over here. Let's see. Like this, maybe? Yeah, but then this piece here won't make any sense. Okay, so now let's level all of this all the way from here to here. Okay, if we bring it further, this area, it will be almost the slim slope we would be using. Now let me extend this, do the same over here on this side. So from there to there. Okay, 6.5, that's still too much. Okay, let's upgrade another piece of road. Rail line. Jesus. So from here to here, and that would give us a 4.6% slope, which is nicer to use. Okay, so now here we need to set up the road layout for this area. So let's go back into our roads. I'm going to use a 4-lane road. 3-lane, 4 lanes. Hello, 4 lanes. 4 lanes. No parking. Okay, I don't think parking will be a problem. So that's fine. So let's then start building somewhere over here. Let me bring our guidelines again. So let's see. So I want this to be like this, and I want to do it over here. Okay, so let me bring this over here. Let's curve it. Over there. Okay, so this will take a little bit of work to do. Okay, let's bring this over here. Make sure this is straight. And now I wonder, why is this piece elevated? I don't want this to be elevated. Okay, so that's fine. Now this will go the other way around and will not be a 4-lane, neither will this, but this will be a 2-lane. through here, so it will go straight into the arbor over there. So let's use our normal 2-lane road. Let's bring this to ground level. Let's curve this around 5x5 band. Okay. Okay. Now, this has to come over from this side. Okay, so it will actually allow us to build a big area right here. Okay, so let's see. I want this to come out here by 7, then let's do a 5x5 band. Let's bring this up. This will connect over here. And now I want all of my guidelines again. I want this to connect over here, and then so 6x6. Yep. Let's connect it over here. Perfect. This will be 2 lanes. This will be 2 lanes. Actually, let's upgrade this. I prefer this wider road. This over here will be the 4-lane road I was talking about before. Okay, so let's bring this in. So dedicated turning lanes over there. Perfect. And this can actually, okay, let me see. Okay, this can continue over there with 4 lanes. This one can be 4 lanes as well. This will be some big roads. Okay, so now this is quite a slopey area. Let me see the terrain height. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's terraform some more. Okay, so I want it to be at that height. Okay, now can we level this all the way through here and there? Okay, much better now. Okay, people, so here, what do I want to do here? Here I want to place some small normal roads. We will even make it industrial around here, okay? This zone will not be used, so it will stay as it is. Maybe we can place a couple of services around here, but here I want to do something else. Okay, so let's draw this by 15. Okay, and then I want some small, they're not that small, but you know what I mean. Some roads coming over here and over here, I would say. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, people, so here, once again, we will need some parking, but okay, how far is this? This is 2, 4, 8. So, change of plans. So we would need 8, so let's draw one right here. And another one right here. Yeah, I think we can connect it. It will look a little bit different, but I want to place here some of these container blocks. Right here in the center of this area. Okay, let's remove this. Let's actually connect these roads down here. There will probably be a lot of traffic in here, but I think it will most likely work. Okay, so let's place water tower here. Probably shouldn't be doing this with the game running, but okay, then let's bring this all the way around here. Provide all of these people with water. We can also place a couple of these around here, one right here, another one right here, and let's place another one here and another one over here. Okay, so we have once again lots of storage capacity here. Okay, so let's stop the game. This is the part where I need to actually stop it in order to be able to. Okay, so I need to place this where it does not affect our water tower. That's going to be tricky. This should be safe. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay, so this one produces less pollution. Is it the same capacity? 60,000. I think this should be enough. Okay, let's place it here. See if it will actually work. If we start to get issues with the water, also, but this is a closed system basically. So now, people, we need to connect this to our highway. Okay, so first of all, let's get into our highway. We will get this extended by 15 over here. So this is a 4-lane road. Let's extend it a little bit further, and then from here I want a two-lane highway, a two-lane road, which can turn around basically. Okay, so this would be 5. Okay, like that. Let's upgrade that one. This one will continue through. Another 5 units. Okay, and then let's change it into our highway. Into our highway. Okay, let's bring it out here by 5. And let's connect it from here to there. It's fine. Okay, now I want once again our one-way road. 5 by okay. Let me do this like that. And then like that. So we will have the connection there to the highway as well. So this one now goes all the way across. How far is this? 9. And this? 10. Okay, so that would be 19 and that would be 10. Okay, so let's extend this by 9. Let's do here a nice 10 by 10 curve. Okay. Okay, and now this is the tricky part. Okay, because I want this road to connect over here, so we will have a turnaround point. If I draw this like that, okay, I can also do something like this. Okay, so let's turn this around. Let's get our highway again. Okay, and now let's connect it in from there to there. Okay, if I do it like this, what will it look like? Let me remove this. Okay, so let's turn this around. You go there, you go there. Okay, so here let's do something a little bit different. I want to make some toll booths over here. Where are they? One-way toll booth. This is huge. Okay, can we place it here? Yeah, I think we can. It's 4 lanes. Okay, so it will then come into this area as a 4-lane road. So let's do this. Okay, let's bring this over here. Like that. Okay, so 2 lanes in each direction. That one can turn around, go back. And here I'm going to place a toll booth on this side as well. Just to make it symmetrical. Okay, let's do it over there. Let's remove this road. This will be straight away a 4-lane road. Let's upgrade it here and connect it. Okay, so from there to there. Like that. Yeah, I don't think it looks that bad, does it? Uneven shape, but I think it will work. Now, over here, once again, we will have our storage facilities now. So we will have here animal products, flour, paper, plain timber, petroleum, plastics, glass, and this will be switched off, metals, and this will be set to empty and switched off. I forgot to set them to empty. And this one over here we will have what? Unique factory products. And this one we will have here commercial zone goods. All of this will be set to empty. I don't want them to be importing the goods. Okay. Empty. That one's already done. This one's done. This one set to empty. Okay, so this one's right here. I'm going to set them to empty. I have no idea what we are still missing, but I think it was these ones right here. Forestry products set to empty. This one will be for oil products and set to empty. And this one will be for farming. Yep. And set to empty. Okay, so we will have hopefully in no time having trains and trucks coming over this way relieving some of the traffic in that area. Oh, we need water over here. Okay, so that's important. So let's bring this over here, over here, over here, and connect it over here. Okay, so this should be, or this should start working in no time and allowing our city to use this section as well for exporting our goods. Okay, so all of this is set to empty. Those two are actually switched off, and they will be switched off for the moment. And we just need now to upgrade the roads right here. So let's upgrade this to 4 lanes. This one's already done. That's 2 lanes. 2 lanes going into 4. This one is turning back. Okay, so everything appears to be working properly here. Let's make sure we give them dedicated turning lanes, or dedicated lanes. Okay, we can make this smoother. This one as well. So they will be using it, hopefully. Okay, now we will need some kind of garbage processing here. Oh, there's a a truck coming already. Nice. Okay, fine. Okay, people, so this area right here, we will also be able to place a couple more warehouses. Okay, so just it would give us a different look to the area. Okay, so let's see. What else can we place here? Okay, so if we draw this out over here, we can place, let's see. Okay, I think one of these things would look good here. By the arbor, right? Give it a more industrial look over here, but I want this to set this to empty, of course. Also, another thing we can also place in here would be these old police station and the historical fire department. This one's a little longer, so let's place it. Let's place it over here between the two warehouses. And this we could also place over here. Yeah, looks good. Okay, now. Also, this is an industrial area, so, or a mainly industrial area. Let's paint this with, all of this with concrete. Okay. So it gives us here a more industrial vibe to the thing. Okay. Let's adjust this slightly. Let's just bring it in there. Nice. That one's done already. Okay. No trains still coming into this area, right? Nope. But everything is connected? Of course not. That one is connected, but this one isn't. Okay, so... Okay then. Let's connect it again. Jesus. Okay. Let's build it in. Let's adjust it with the move it mod. I think it is connected now. Looks like it. What's happening here? Okay. Extra node in here, right? Let's stop the game. Let's remove all of this. So, let's remove this. It's not connecting. I don't know why. Okay, now it is. Okay, now let's pick this up and connect it over there. Okay, so now everything is connected, but this looks a little weird. Okay, better now? This looks so weird. This looks so weird. Is there any extra node here? Nope. Okay. Then fine then. Okay, so I think everything is connected now. Okay. Also, we have managed to build some infrastructure to store some goods, to export some goods as well. So, where are these trucks coming from? No idea. Okay, no worries. Either way, people, all of this area is now set up. We have our cargo harbor over here. I will probably still do some more warehouses around here, and we are able now to export goods. So there are some ships coming over here already. Some trucks bringing in goods from the city into our cargo harbor, and also here I think this is working as well. Yes, it is. So trains are also coming in. Where is it coming from? Okay, so Okay, it's actually coming from outside of the city into that area to deliver some goods. I don't think it will make much of a difference, but the area is actually working. Okay, now people, garbage is piling up. We will need to check that. Okay, well, just to finish it off, let's add a couple of fences around here. Here I want to have somewhat of an industrial look to this, so let's add some fences around here. Here. We can bring it over there. Then we can connect it here. This one, let's push it back a little bit. This maybe. Then let's extend it here. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I just wanted to snap to the angle. Okay, so let's bring it over here. Then over here, let's connect it over. Let's connect it over there. Okay. Some nice fences around here. Okay, this one we will actually change it. Let's pick this up. Okay, let's pick this up. Let's change it to this side. Yep. Let's do the same with this one. Okay, and then we can add a couple more fences around here. Like that. Then we can bring it all the way down here. Over here. Can actually extend this all the way through. Okay. There and then over here. Yep. And we can do the same over here. Right here from the edge, over there, over here, over here, and what do you mean distance too short? Okay, and then we can bring it over here as well. Okay, it's fine. This one, let's take it a little back. Okay. We have some fences around here, some of these vibes. You can also place a couple of overgrowth scattered around. So here, there. So just so this doesn't look too just there is some green around here, not much but a little bit of it, so yeah, people. So I think that looks nice. We have our arbor, simple build, but it will be useful for us, I hope. And also this area right here is something we will be able to use afterwards for expanding our industry area. Okay, our industry in the city, because the industry that we have on the other side, apart from the one which is specialized, I really don't want it to be there, but we will see how it will go. Okay, people. So either way, thank you so much for watching. We have our new arbor now and our warehouse. I'm going to call it a district. It's not exactly a district, but we have our warehouses over here as well, so with all the new train connections, so we can store our products there, export them through train and also through cargo ships. Okay, people, thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, any suggestions that you might have down below. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done it. Okay, people, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode.